and welcome.
So my absolute favorite shot, other than the drone one, was the very close to the end when Joe, the main character, gets out of his chair to go to the mailbox the last time. And if you look in the window over there, there's a reflection of a mail truck. Like, totally not planned.
Nope.
Not planned at all. But we were filming him, Tom, and the mail truck goes right down the road. Like,
Leaving a reflection in the window.
I mean, when does that happen? It's just like...
We had never filmed in a town before, so it was a little bit, it was a new setting for us. We were kind of wondering how, you know, if we'd have cars driving past, getting in the shots, and
how to fly the drone in the city. One of the hardest things about the production day was that we had one day to film it.
Was just keeping everything really, really organized so that we didn't have Joe wearing the wrong shirt in two shots that were supposed to be, you know, 2 different days. We didn't know the people who owned the houses, but we drove past and we said those houses would be perfect.
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely perfect for mail time. So we asked them and they said yes. It was so sweet of them. The only time it rained was when we went to lunch.
So that was great.
Is it chocolate in my teeth?
Nope.
I wish. No, it's good.
You want me to put some in?
No. We got laughing so much when we were filming the cruise part.
On a cruise!
We also had to film him just talking, like yelling, like more yelling, with the mic. So that was hilarious. You can hear these clips here.
I'm on a cruise, you guys! Woo! This is awesome! I can't believe it! Woo! This is great! Yeah! Woo! I'm gonna do a backflip right here. Boom.
And lots of interesting looks from the neighbors.
Yeah, one person like stuck their head out the door, like. It was really funny.
I don't think they had ever seen a filming crew before of any sort.
Never.
Even a very small one like ours.
Right. Never. So that was really funny. Sometimes they drive down that road and real slow.
Peer out the windows. Those suspicious looking people in the yard.
I guess Mom bought apples for the crew. Seems like somehow everybody was eating an apple at some point, like just sporadically. It was just really funny.
There was apples in the mailbox. There was apples on the sidewalk. Apples. Everybody had apples.
Yeah. And I'd never been able to sit down with a composer and be like, I want this note held longer. And then he's like, on his computer, and then all of a sudden, boop, you got this note, and you put it there longer, like at the end and everything. It was like, ooh, it was great. So, a lot of fun, and he wrote everything in 2 days. Give me 20. Perfect.
We did it! Woo!
Cut. Yeah, that's a problem. Cut.
We really loved our crew. They were
so fun to work with.
Totally
they did their job
like pros.
like pros. You know, so a lot of fun working with them, and really a fun movie to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. See you later. Bye.